Thank you, sir. As per our tradition, we'll start the meeting with a prayer. I request Rotarian Rujuta Shah for prayer.
कुमारो में स्वामिनी वृषभानुजा कृतार्थोऽहं न संशयः दास्य सेवां प्रकोवित्तं यावज्जीवं स्वधर्मतः न फलात् न भोगार्थ न प्रतिष्ठा प्रसिद्धये शुद्ध भाव प्रभो साप्यो न चातुर्य प्रयोजकम् अंतर्यामी समस्तानां भावं जानाति मानसं भावं जानाति मानसं.
Thank you, Rotarian Rujuta Shah. Going ahead, I request President-elect Atul Bhai Parikh.
Good morning, all Rotarian friends. 1.2 million Rotarians across 33,000 clubs recite this four-way test. We heard the prayer, and this is the second prose prayer for the Rotary. Rotary as a religion, these four-way principles. These are related to the things that we think, things that we do, things that we say. First principle is it the truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and a better friendship? And fourth, will it be fair to all concerned? If we apply these three principles in our Rotary projects as a thinking tank, only in our personal life, I think the world will be better for all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Atul Bhai. Now I invite President Rotarian Arpit Shah for his welcome speech and maybe a farewell speech also. Arpit Bhai, हमको क्या कहेंगे? वेलकम करेंगे, फेयरवेल करेंगे? वो जो कहेंगे उनका जो सार मैंने सोचा है वो मैं बताता हूं कि हम हवा नहीं जो खो जाएंगे, हम वक्त नहीं जो गुजर जाएगा, हम मौसम नहीं जो बदल जाएगी, हम तो आंसू है जो खुशी और गम दोनों में हमेशा नजर आएंगे, हमेशा नजर आएंगे. रोटेरियन अर्पित शाह.
આજના અતિથિ વિશેષ आज के अतिथि विशेष विनोद भाटिया जी, डीजीएन मेहुल राठौड़ जी, एजी मधुकर परिक जी, गैलेक्सी ऑफ पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स, रोटेरियंस, मेट्रोरियंस, एंड इन्वाइटेड गेस्ट. गुड मॉर्निंग. कल्पेश भी हम तुम्हारे से કહેવાનું બધું કહી દીધું છે એટલે લગભગ મારે કઈ કહેવાનું નથી. બટ ઓન બિહાફ ઓફ Team Metro, I welcome you all to the installation ceremony of Vatsalbhai and Dipenbhai and the entire team. મારે વધારે કંઈ કહેવાનું નથી. ફેરવેલ જેવું આપણે ત્યાં ફેરવેલ હોતું જ નથી, કારણ કે it is like એક ટીમ જાય છે ને બીજી આવે છે. It's a continuous process. પણ એટલું ચોક્કસ ખાલી વિશ કરવાનું છે કે વત્સલભાઈ આવનારા વર્ષમાં જે મેટ્રોની આપણી શું કહેવાય, सॉरी हिंदी, मेट्रो का जो ट्रेडिशन है वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे. एंड आई विश एंड प्रे कि जो पेंडेमिक का मजा हमने लिया वो मजा आप ना लो. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑलमाइटी एंड प्रे ऑलमाइटी कि you get the best chance to have all the physical meetings instead of Zoom ones like this. So I say wish that this will be the last Zoom meeting of this year. और कल्पेश भाई एक गीत गाયું એટલે મારે બે લીટી એ કહેવી છે કે આપણે રોટરી में एक ही चीज है, 1 जुलाई to 30 जून. इसमें आपको एक ही चीज है, अपनी कहानी छोड़ जा, कुछ तो निशानी छोड़ जा, मौसम बीता जाए. So you have got this chance for 365 days. Try your best and I am sure you are going to do great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, President Arpit. On behalf of all members of Rotary Club Metro, we thank you and your team for a wonderful year. हम इतना ही कहेंगे कि बुलाना तुम्हें ना आसान होगा, बुलाना तुम्हें ना आसान होगा, जो भूले तुम्हें वो नादान होगा. आप जैसे दोस्त तो बसते हैं दिल में हमारे, आप हमें ना भूल जाए, ये आपका हम पे एहसान होगा. Thank you. Now the center program of today, the installation of the new team headed by President Vatsal Shah. I invite for that ceremony Rotarian and High Court Advocate, past President, Rotarian Mehul Rathod, District Governor nominee 2023-24 or maybe 22-23, because he always keeps some cards under his sleeve. He is a chartered member of Rotary Club Ahmedabad Metro. He is even today remembered for inducting highest number of new members in his tenure. Almost close to 75, which is still a record. He is an active RLI faculty. He also participated in Himalayan rallies in a car before 30 years. I don't tell in his young days because he is young even today. The most important thing about Mehul is he is passionate about whatever he is doing. He does not believe anything in between. He is like yes or no. करो तो पूरा दिल दिमाग जी जान लड़ा के करो, नहीं तो नहीं करो. So he is always passionate about whatever he is doing. His wife Bhavna and Mehul, they are excellent hosts. We all have time and again have enjoyed their hospitality. Son Abhimanyu and Abhijit, they both are lawyers. હસવું, હસાવવું, જમવું, જમાડવું, આ બધાની વચ્ચે આપણા ડિસ્ટ્રિક્ટ ગવર્નર નોમિની મેહુલ રાઠોડ. I invite sir, please come grace the occasion and take the reins.
Thank you. Thank you, Kalpesh bhai. Thank you very much for a wonderful introduction. मैंने ये कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि मेरी इतनी बढ़िया इंट्रोडक्शन कल्पेश भाई देंगे. Friends who are present here and the friends who are online. Celebration of installation ceremony this kind of celebration is not a mandatory in Rotary world, nor it is necessary. पर फिर भी अगर हम देखें तो हर क्लब, all clubs, rather I would say each club is celebrating this function. सवाल ये आता है क्यों अगर वो मैंडेटरी नहीं है तो हर क्लब दुनिया भर में क्यों उसको सेलिब्रेट करती है? सीधा आंसर है कि जब कोई आदमी कभी भी अपने जो भी इंटेंशंस है, जो भी निश्चय है, उस इंटेंशंस और निश्चय को सबके सामने स्वीकार करता है, उस निश्चय पे चलने की सबके सामने जब प्रतिज्ञा लेता है, then it becomes his moral responsibility. It gives them boost. And friends, we must remember, always we must remember, moral binding, moral responsibilities are much more on a higher footing than any legal binding. आज 2021-22 की जो टीम है, हम सबके सामने ये प्रतिज्ञा लेने जा रहे हैं कि हम लोग हमारी जिंदगी में से ये एक साल रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो को समर्पित करते हैं. वत्सल, दीपेन एंड ऑल न्यू मेंबर, टीम मेंबर्स, आज के बाद एक साल आपकी हर प्रायोरिटी में रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो, उसके प्रोजेक्ट्स, प्रोग्राम और वैल्यूज जो कुछ भी है वो आपकी प्रायोरिटी में रहने चाहिए. आज जब वो हमने हमारे सामने ये निश्चय लेते हैं कि हम इसी रास्ते पे चलेंगे, आई एम श्योर हम सब, आप सबकी प्रेजेंस से, गुड विशेस से इनका हौसला और भी बढ़ जाएगा. एंड दे विल फुलफिल देयर ऑल प्रॉमिसेस, और जो भी ड्रीम्स या जो भी गोल्स सेट किए हुए हैं. So let us start today's function. May I request all board members to come here except president and secretary, except Vatsal and Dipen. सब लोग जो है टीम में वो आ जाएं आगे. आप तमें याद रखो, ऋतुज भाई, आप तमें भी चल रहे हैं, तमें भेजा नहीं क्या थी रुपति, आप सब आ गए. तो यहाँ अभी जाओ, यहाँ अभी जाओ. हाँ हाँ अभी जाओ. नहीं तो एक बेजन आनी भी पाछड़ આવી जाओ करो. हाँ, एक बेजन आनी भी पाछड़ આવી जाओ ना प्लीज. I hope everything is settled. दोस्तों, आज आप पूरी टीम 2021-22 का जो रोटरी ईयर है, उसमें रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के लिए काम करने के लिए शपथ ले रहे हैं. मैं जो भी बोलूं उसके पीछे आपको दोहराना है. जहां पे मैं रोटेरियन बोलूं वहां आपका नाम, और जहां मैं आपका पद बोलूं वहां पे आपको आपका पद बोलना है. मैं रोटेरी, आप रेज योर राइट हैंड प्लीज. मैं रोटेरियन, आप जो रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के आपका पद निर्वाचित हुआ हूं और शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय एवं रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के विधि विधान द्वारा प्रतिपादित आदर्शों के अनुसार श्रद्धा व निष्ठा के साथ जिला प्रांतपाल एवं रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के बताए हुए कार्य को पूर्ण करने का प्रयास करूंगा और आगामी वर्ष में मैं अपने दायित्व का निर्वाह करूंगा। ईश्वर मेरी सहायता करे। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू। May I now request incoming secretary to come here. Of course, he is secretary. Incoming तो नहीं कह सकते क्योंकि इंस्टॉलेशन मीन्स जो स्थापन है और प्राण प्रतिष्ठा बाद में होती है हमारे कल्चर में, पर रोटरी में ऐसा है कि 30 तारीख को रात को 12 बजे प्राण प्रतिष्ठा हो ही जाती है। आज हम उनका स्थापन कर रहे हैं। आइए दीपेन आरंभ। Why in hurry? Dipin, as a secretary, आप रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के ओवरऑल इंचार्ज हो गए। हर रिकॉर्ड आपको मेंटेन करना है। यू आर द लिंक बिटवीन द प्रेसिडेंट एंड मेंबर्स। हर चीज जो भी प्रेसिडेंट को जो भी रिकॉर्ड थी वो आपसे मांगेगा। ऑल 24 आवर्स आपको बिल्कुल तैयार रहना है कि नहीं मुझे ये काम रोटरी के लिए करना है। और हाँ, इज पूजा आई है? हाँ आइए प्लीज काम किया। और पूजा मैं आपसे भी एक बात बता दूं कि काफी बार ऐसा होगा कि मेहनत सेक्रेटरी को करनी पड़ती है, लोग मेंबर्स गालियां भी सेक्रेटरी को देंगे और स्टेज पे प्रेसिडेंट साहब बैठे होंगे। सो डोंट फील कि नहीं ऐसा क्यों। एंड सेकंड थिंग, डिपेंड द रिलेशंस बिटवीन प्रेसिडेंट एंड सेक्रेटरी इज लाइक यू नो हस्बैंड वाइफ और सास बहू जैसे है, जो चाहकर भी साथ भी नहीं रह सकते और छोड़ भी नहीं सकते हैं। तो this is what is your duty. Thank you, Pooja. See, Dipen, you raise your right hand and take. मैं जो बोलूं उसके पीछे आपको बोलना है। मैं रोटेरियन, your name, जो रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के your post के पद पर निर्वाचित हुआ हूं। मैं रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय एवं रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के विधि विधान द्वारा प्रतिपादित आदर्शों के अनुसार श्रद्धा व निष्ठा के साथ जिला प्रांतपाल एवं रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के अंतरराष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के बताए हुए कार्यों को पूर्ण करने का प्रयास करूंगा और आगामी वर्ष में अपने दायित्व का निर्वाह करूंगा। ईश्वर मेरी सहायता करे। थैंक यू दीपेन। प्लीज टेक हियर। आई रिक्वेस्ट टू ट्वीच टू pin him and to exchange the call. गमे ત્યાં લગડ ખાલી અને ભોંકાવતો નહીં। हाँ, I thank you. एक मिनट हुआ ऊपर। अर्पित भाई ने कुछ मुझे बहुत बढ़िया याद कराया कि ईश्वर की पूजा करने में ईश्वर मेरी सहायता करे। Anyway, मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ स्क्रीन पे कुछ दोस्त हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं जो रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो से नहीं है। मैं इन सब की जानकारी बता दूं कि दीपेन और आने वाले हमारे प्रेसिडेंट, वी ऑल नो देम एज अवर यंग ब्रिगेड। हमारी क्लब में एक काफी यंग ब्रिगेड आई है, उनमें से ये लोग हैं। मैं सब आपकी जानकारी लें। दे आर वेरी वेरी एफिशिएंट एंड एक्टिव। मैं नाउ रिक्वेस्ट वत्सल टू कम हियर। Vatsal to be a president of this club, which means शादी करना. Today you are marrying to this club, ऐसा है. और ये सब जो लोग यहाँ बैठे और जो जूम पे आपको देख रहे हैं, वो सब मिलके आपकी शादी तो करवा देंगे, और उसकी जिम्मेदारियां सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपको लेनी है. शादी के बाद आने, डोंट बी नर्वस, शादी के बाद आने वाली हर जिम्मेदारी आपको लेनी है. हाँ, हम सब आपके साथ रहेंगे, पर जिम्मेदारी तो आपको निभानी है. यू हैव टू, सर मैं आपको बता दूं, दिस इज अ क्लब where each president, each secretary, each team is writing and rewriting definition of success again and again. And I have no doubt in my mind, this incoming team will also write a definition of success once again. तो आप इसके लिए तैयार है वत्सल?
Yes sir.
Very good. अभी नर्वसनेस से वो मैरिज का नाम आके डर गया था. सर ने कहा, what is wrong with it? दीपेन की पूजा है, इसके कुछ सपने हैं. वत्सल के सपना प्लीज कम. आपको ओथ नहीं लेनी है, सिर्फ साथ खड़ा रहना है. वत्सल रेज योर राइट हैंड, और मैं जो बोलूं उसके पास आपको दोहराना है. मैं रोटेरियन, योर नेम
वत्सल शाह,
जो रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के अध्यक्ष पद पर निर्वाचित हुआ हूं. मैं शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय एवं रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के विधि विधान द्वारा प्रतिपादित आदर्शों के अनुसार श्रद्धा व निष्ठा के साथ जिला प्रांतपाल एवं रोटरी अंतरराष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष के बताए हुए कार्यों को पूर्ण करने का प्रयास करूंगा, और आगामी वर्ष में अपने दायित्व का निर्वाह करूंगा. ईश्वर मेरी सहायता करे. थैंक यू सपना. मैं रिक्वेस्ट अर्पित भाई टू, शपथ इज ओवर. अभी शादी हो गई आपकी, अब आप नहीं मुकर सकते. यू कांट से कि नहीं अब कुछ नहीं होगा. हाँ हाँ, रोटरी में शादी 1 साल के लिए होती है, पर 1 साल भी तो है. Thank you, Arvind bhai. Friends, with this, on behalf of RI President Shekhar Mehta, our District Governor Ashok Mangal, I declare Vatsal as a president of this club for the year 2021-22. ये सेरेमनी आज की कंक्लूड करने से पहले मैं आपसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूं. अभी अर्पित ने जिक्र किया और वत्सल को विश किया कि भगवान करे आप कभी जूम पे ना हो और ये पूरी मीटिंग फिजिकल होती रहे. आई विथ ग्रेटेस्ट रिस्पेक्ट टू अर्पित, I disagree with it. I disagree because इन कोविड के दिनों में जब क्लब की एक्टिविटी को जिंदा रखना भी मुश्किल सा लग रहा था, उन दिनों में अर्पित, ऋत्विज एंड टीम 2020-21 ने बड़ी जिम्मेदारी के साथ, बड़ी हौसले के साथ बहुत ही बढ़िया वर्ष दिया है इस रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो को, एंड यू विल बी रिमेंबर्ड फॉर ऑल टाइम टू कम. फ्रेंड्स, गिव अ बिग हैंड टू अर्पित एंड ऋत्विज. अब I'll request Sapna and Pooja to come here. I also request Rujuta and Ami to join. Sapna bena ho. सपनानी वाली मूवी। देखो सपना, पूजा, आप लोगों को कोई शपथ लेनी नहीं है, ना ही आपको कोई प्रतिज्ञा करनी है, बट व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू टू ट्वीट करूंगी। व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू, ऐसे कहा जाता है कि बिहाइंड एवरी सक्सेसफुल मैन देयर इज अ वुमन। एक बार मैं आऊं कीधું તો ઝઘડો થયો, કોઈ બેન ઉભા થઈને કે આ તમે વાઇફ નું નામ ક્યાં લો છો, તમે વુમન નું નામ, પછી મારે માફી માંગવી પડી and I corrected myself. So I correct it, and behind every successful man there is a life partner. What is your role? हमने 1 मिनट के लिए कुछ गीत चुना है, ये देख लो, उसके बाद मैं will talk. थशे
एक
हाँ, आवाज नहीं थी।
शेयर किया, एक मिनट ત્યાંથી અનમ્યુટ કરવાનું છે, રિમોટ પડ્યું છે ત્યાં ધ્રુવભાઈ, અનમ્યુટ કરી દે ખાલી।
We are sorry for the disturbance. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, forget it. So this kind of support, I was just telling you, the word is this कि तू, मैं नजर आऊं या ना आऊं, पर तेरे साथ साथ रहूंगी मैं भी। तो इसको, it doesn't mean that कि आपको CID करनी है, but your support is needed for round the year. Without your support, nothing is possible for them. Thank you. And रुजुता और अमी, अगर आपको कहीं भी तकलीफ हो कि कैसे सपोर्ट देना है, ask this to ladies. रुजुता and अमी, they were never on the forefront of this year, कभी नहीं आए, और आप दोनों का जो सपोर्ट था, we all members of Rotary Club Ahmedabad Metro, पूरे साल भर का आपका सपोर्ट हम लोगों ने देखा भी नहीं है, पर महसूस जरूर किया है। And on behalf of all, I am really thankful to both of you. Thank you. Thank you. दोस्तों, कंक्लूड करने से पहले मैं सिर्फ आने वाली टीम के लिए एक ही बात, एक ही चीज का अनुरोध करता हूं। वत्सल, दीपेन एंड द टीम मेंबर, आप जो भी काम लोगे, जो भी करोगे, आपका सिर्फ एक लक्ष्य है, रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के प्रोग्राम, प्रोजेक्ट्स और लक्ष्य को आगे। काफी बाधाएं मार्ग में आएगी, काफी बाधा आएगी, काफी क्रिटिसिज्म भी आएगा। कोई क्रिटिसिज्म पॉजिटिव ऑब्जेक्टिव होगा, कोई नेगेटिव होगा। कुछ भी काफी मेहनत करने के बाद कोई आके ये भी बोलेगा कि आपके प्रोग्राम अच्छे नहीं है, आपके प्रोजेक्ट अच्छे नहीं है, इतनी बड़ी क्लब है और आप इस क्लब में कोई परमानेंट प्रोजेक्ट नहीं ले रहे हो, कोई ढंग का सिविल सर्विस प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, सब कहेंगे। वेरी केयरफुली टीम के साथ बैठ के यू शुड एनालाइज विद ओपन माइंड, और जो भी ऑब्जेक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म है उसे खुले मन के साथ आपको स्वीकार करना है, और जो नेगेटिव क्रिटिसिज्म है सिर्फ कुछ नहीं कहना है, जस्ट इग्नोर, बस यही आपको करना है और कुछ नहीं करना है। और जाने से पहले ये कुछ पंक्तियां है जो मेरे दिल के बहुत करीब है, मैं इस टीम को समर्पित करना चाहता हूं। ये पंक्तियां आलोकित जी, शरद त्रिपाठी जी ने लिखी हुई है, पर काफी मेरे दिल के करीब है। कुछ करना है तो डटकर चल, थोड़ा दुनिया से हटकर चल। लीक पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, लीक मीन्स पगडंडी, लीक पर तो सभी चल लेते हैं, कभी इतिहास को पलट कर चल। अर्जुन सा निशाना रख, मन में ना कोई बहाना रख, अर्जुन सा निशाना रख, मन में ना कोई बहाना रख, लक्ष्य तेरे सामने है, बस उसी पे अपना ठिकाना रख। सोच मत साकार कर, सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर, मिलेगा तेरी मेहनत का फल, किसी और का नहीं इंतजार कर। वंडरफुल वर्ड्स। सोच मत साकार कर, अपने कर्मों से प्यार कर, मिलेगा तेरी मेहनत का फल, किसी और का नहीं इंतजार कर। जो करते जो चले थे अकेले, जो चले थे अकेले, उनके पीछे आज भी मेले हैं। जो चले थे अकेले, उनके पीछे आज भी मेले हैं। और जो करते रहे इंतजार, उनकी जिंदगी में आज भी झमेले हैं। Yes, I congratulate you and thank you very much. Thank you. I'm really thankful to the team for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Mehul Rathod. We take note of presence of senior members of our district. Past District Governor Vinod Bhatia ji, past District Governor Sharad Vaishya sir, past District Governor Maulin Bhai Patel, past District Governor JP Vyas, Rotarian BP Mittal, Rotarian Mohan Parashar, Rotarian Vinod Thakkar. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time and please convey our best wishes to your club. मेहुल भाई ने जब शपथ दिलाई तो वत्सल ने जोर की आवाज में कहा, यस सर। मुझे एक बात याद आ गई कि एक कपल की चर्च में शादी थी, तो शादी में भी वो हाथ ऊपर करवाता है प्रीस्ट और शपथ लेता है, एंड देन दे हैव टू टेल आई डू। तो ऐसी एक शादी हुई, दोनों ने बोला आई डू। जैसे ही शादी करके नीचे आया, वाइफ ने बोला, I did not like the tone of your I do. So Vatsal bhai, tone is very important. आपके दिमाग में क्या है वो किसी को पता नहीं चलता है, लेकिन आपके टोन का सबको पता चलता है, और शादियों में तो टोन ही बनाती है और बर्बाद करती है। Now I invite past President Prashant Ajmera to introduce the President of the Year, Vatsal Shah. Prashant bhai, please.
थैंक यू कल्मेश भाई. काल रात मैंने विचार આવતો હતો કે મેહુલભાઈ નો કંઈક તો રોલ હશે જ, અને એમાં ફિલ્મી શું લાવશે, वो क्या फिल्मी लाएंगे, और कुछ ना कुछ तो आती है, और लास्ट मिनट पे वो आके हमेशा कहते हैं आ एक छे वगाड़વાનું છે. That also gives us an idea कि अपना तेज चॉइस कैसे बिचेगा. It's going to be a Bollywood year. लेकिन मजा बहुत आएगा. With this, we have a galaxy of friends with us and like to give an introduction. As the Mehul bhai mentioned, that it's a young brigadier of our club, and yes, it is indeed a young brigadier club है अपनी, क्योंकि 5 जो main board of directors हैं, वत्सल भाई, दीपेन भाई, नीलय भाई, हार्दिक incoming president nominee, they are all under 45, almost under 45. So this is for the first time in 26 years in a metro history. Exactly. Including me. So 25 साल का ये जो सफर था रोटरी मेट्रो का, वो खत्म हो गया है, और ये 26 के साल में एक नया ब्रिगेडियर चालू हुआ है. सो ये भी एक नई ईरा है, और इसीलिए हमने 25 साल का वीडियो भी बनाया था और सबको दिखाया था कि साहब ये संभाल के रखो, अब नया टाइम चालू होने वाला है. और मेहुल भाई ने जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, मुझे आके दूसरे दिन फोन किया, प्रशांत बहुत अच्छा था, मैं ड्राइव भेजता हूँ, भेज दूं, चलो कॉपी करके मुझे भेज दे, काम आएगा. मैंने बोला हम दोनों साथ में देखेंगे, बुढ़ापे में यही करना है. Anyway, guys, also I remember the 1st July 2017, and that was the day Dipen and his brother Hardik Thakkar were installed as a member of our club. And he saw the secretarial presentations of my year. And there were some 62 different programs were there. And बाहर निकल के मुझे बोला, प्रशांत भाई, ये 52 weeks होते हैं, 62 कैसे बने? और ये क्लब में कैसे हो रहा है? But you can see after 2017, in 5 years, now he is the secretary for club. So that also shows his dedications to the club and to the Rotary. And I'm sure that in 2025, you'll be president. ना मना कर रहे हैं, देखो भैया होता ही है. That's every Rotarian spouse says. So now I'll start with the introduction of our incoming president, Vatsal Shah. As the name Vatsal means an affectionate and loving person, and true to his name, he is a soft-spoken, compassionate person who gels well with everyone. The Vatsal is a blend of many culture and many diverse qualities, something difficult to find in a one person. He's a Gujarati born in Calcutta, and every summer he has spent a lot of time at his uncle's place. This developed in him the charm and artistic side which is unique to the Bengal. He completed his high school educations from the St. Xavier School, Loyola Hall in Ahmedabad, and he went on to obtain his undergraduate degree from CEPT University School of Architect, which is one of the premium institute of India. CEPT awarded, or rather he earned his 2 gold medals in his final year as best graduate students and for the best thesis. So whatever he's doing, it is always receives the gold medal. And an architect and an interior design by profession, he has been practicing his craft very, very efficiently since many years and has done a wide range of projects, commercial and real estates in the city of Ahmedabad. Vatsal loves traveling. His first experience was living for 1 year in Melbourne, Australia as an exchange student and touring extensively Australia, New Zealand, and Indonesia. So I'm not sure whether he was studying or traveling. He was since traveled to more than 21 countries in different parts of the world. His wife Sapna is an interior designer who left her pursuit of LLB to study interior designing after marriage, which was his original passions, or rather Vatsal convinced her that this is your passions and this is what you have to do. They have 2 lovely daughters and they all live together in a joint family with his parents. Rotarian runs in Vatsal blood. His father, Rotarian Bharatbhai Shah, is a member of the Rotary Club Cosmopolitan, has been a Rotarian for last 33 years. And I'd like to pause and particularly congratulate Rotarian Bharatbhai Shah. The reason being that I've seen this is one of the Rotarian in city of Ahmedabad who has convinced his son to become a Rotarian and do it. So we keep saying, member banana hai, bahar se leke aao, ek member ek leke aaye, lekin ghar se to shuruaat karo. And that's exactly what Bharatbhai Shah has done it. So congratulate Bharatbhai if you are watching this one. And I think that's the message should go to the Shekhar Mehta that bahar ke jati bahad mein banao, ghar ke pehle banao. And that's a very good message which Bharatbhai has done it, and it should be followed by every Rotarian. Moving forward, as social worker, because of his father's legacy and connections with the Rotary Club and the roundtables, social works and doing something good for the society run in his blood, that comes naturally to him. obviously Vatsal joined Rotary Club Metro in 2014. And since the very beginning has been actively involved in our club activity. He has worked closely with almost all presidents since he has joined in 2014. He has held various positions. Obviously, always you have to start at the Sergeant at Arms and you move upward. And obviously, he's also very involved with the Rotary Fellowship Group. Rotary means business or RMB, and he has hold also various positions in that one. When he's not doing an interior designing projects or giving him his time to Rotary, Vatsal loves to write. He writes haikus, poems, short stories, and is published 2 books. He has conducted writing workshops in literature festival and has also mentored college students. He has been a speaker at the other clubs as well. Vatsal also loves other form of art like theater and meaningful cinema. So I don't know how you manage all this, Vatsal, but it is quite remarkable. To keep fit, he enjoys swimming and going for a long walk, but I don't know how much it is working for you. With this diverse background and varied interest of our incoming president, we have definitely looked forward to a year filled with multi-dimensional activities without any doubt. Vatsal brings with him an infectious enthusiasm, as I mentioned, of a young heart and freshness of a creative mind. So in conclusion, to quote Shakespeare's, he has a wise head on young shoulders. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome young and dynamic president of Rotary Club Ahmedabad Metro for the year 2021 and 22, our own Rotarian Vatsal Shah. Please, stage is yours, sir.
I welcome Installation Officer DGN Mehul Bhai, Induction Officer Madhukar Bhai Parekh, our Chief Guest Vinodji Bhatia, our Club Founder PDG Shashank Bhai, and galaxy of all PDGs, all ages, immediate past President Arpit Bhai, immediate past Secretary Rutvij Bhai, members of Rotary family, guests, and fellow Metrorians. A very good morning to you all. Welcome to the 26th installation ceremony of Rotary Club Ahmedabad Metro. I feel honored and privileged to have the opportunity to serve our illustrious club, our club which is superlative in many ways. The friendship and fellowship amongst members is amazing, and the service projects are awe-inspiring with a strong undercurrent of Rotary spirit. With the help of the board members and the fellow members, I promise to deliver my best. Times have been tough since more than a year now. The situation of pandemic not witnessed in last 100 years is still not completely over. I congratulate IPP, immediate past President Rotarian Arpit Shah, and immediate past Secretary Rotarian Rutvij Shah for running smoothly a term full of unprecedented challenges and doing the best that can be done in such a situation, in such circumstances. I show my gratitude to all past presidents for their constant guidance in my Rotary journey and encouraging me always. I acknowledge all board members and chairmen for the faith they have had in me and their willingness to work hand in hand with me. This commitment and enthusiasm will make us go a long way. Before I go to 2014, when I joined Rotary, I would like to mention that my father, Rotarian Bharat Shah, is a Rotarian since 33 years. And prior to that, he was a charter member of Roundtable Gujarat chapter since my birth. So I can say there is something in the genes, but it took some time to surface. As a teenager, I recall going to villages where my father did medical camps for Roundtable and participating in car rallies, but it was all for fun at that time. The idea of social service had not formed in my mind. Even when I joined this club in 2014, it was for fun and fellowship. I used to look forward to Thursdays as the start of an early weekend where I would meet my club friends over dinner. I recall in 2015, I took part
in a business meeting where a project was being discussed for building an old age home for people with dementia. I heard dreary stories of these patients and how they suffer and how their children and families also suffer along with them. I think at that time, a spark was kindled in me and a Rotarian was born in me. Then came several opportunities where this spark gained momentum. One was the prosthetic hand project, where we fitted artificial hands to people who had lost their hands in accidents. There were so many sad stories I heard that moved me. They make me feel sad even today. And at that time, I felt how blessed I was, how much God had given me. I could feel their pain, their challenges. It were these moments that transformed me and gave more meaning to my existence in the club besides just fun and fellowship. Then I found lots of opportunities in my club to get involved in service projects, whether it was thalassemia awareness in schools and colleges or medical checkup camps at Mahipatram Ashram. Mahipatram Ashram is an ashram for orphan girls. And again, my heart went out for them. They had no father to look forward to in the evening, no family members to celebrate their birthdays. Friends, it is these incidents which were formative in my decision to do something more in Rotary. Our slogan given this year by RI President Shekhar Mehta is "Serve to Change Lives." It is indeed true. The projects that we do should have a sustainable and long-lasting impact in the life of the beneficiaries. This has been in our tradition since years. If you see what the Nagar Sheikhs and wealthy merchants of Gujarat and Rajasthan have done, you will find they build dharamshalas, institutions, schools, colleges, hospitals, and other works which have had long-lasting benefits for the people. We will work in sync with our RI President's goal. Most of our club's permanent projects are for providing long-lasting benefits in the lives of people. We will be working more in the cluster of villages of Timba, where we have done much work. We will reliven the RCC there and make it active to do further work there. We have built toilets, renovated their school. Now we are planning to focus on the children so they get some direct benefit. We plan to give them refurbished computers, laptops, have elocution competitions for them, maybe do a Raila for village children. Our thalassemia awareness program, which we have done at district level also, will be continuing. We'll also have programs at the old age home at Amli, which is adopted by us. We'll continue to find donors for the Udan Scholarship Program, where currently we are providing scholarships for and supporting 49 students for 5 years. We'll be increasing this number. With endeavor of Nupesh Bhai, we have had a recent adoption of 5 more students by our member Dr. Sailesh Shah 2 days back. So I guess that's a very good beginning. This project will surely serve to change lives of those students. Even a few days back, I got another confirmation. I'll talk about that as well. Our physiotherapy center is being supported by Rotarian Manju Didi since long. She has now promised to further support this in this term as well as next. That's one more thing. So I request all members to sponsor some good projects either themselves or through some corporates known to them. One of the other goals of Rotary International is increasing membership. I must say, last year's team, along with this year's, has gone out of the way to retain as many members as possible. We have also kept in touch with old members, and many have rejoined in the last 2 years and in this year too. Some other ideas and aspirations are to have a blindness prevention seminar, blindness which is due to glaucoma or cataract, where we'll do free cataract operations for the underprivileged. Another thing is to do an anti-tobacco drive. That also I am sure will make a long difference in the life of de-addicted people. We plan to have family exchange and friendship exchange programs with clubs of other districts, which would create lifetime memories for people participating in them. We also aspire to do an Interact Club. So these are some of the aspirations. We recently lost 3 Rotarians who had served our club selflessly: Rotarian Niranjan Parikh, Rotarian Harish Parmar, and Rotarian Ashok Shah. Showing our gratitude for the work they have done for the club, we'll be making Mrs. Niruben Niranjan Parikh, Mrs. Kalpana Harish Parmar, and Mrs. Ushaben Ashok Shah our permanent honorary members. Over the last 3 to 4 years, many youngsters have joined the club, and it has always been my endeavor to encourage them to get involved in club activities. I want my younger colleagues to go far ahead of me, to outshine me in future. And I believe that if your actions create a legacy which inspires others to dream more, to do more, become more, then you are a good leader. As I serve, I presume I'll not be changing lives of others only, but my own life will also change. This year team comprises of many young members, and your love, support, and encouragement will help us to perform to the best of our abilities. We are confident that with the active involvement and participation of every Metrorian, we'll take our club to greater heights. Thank you so much.
Thank you, President Vatsal. Very well said. The biggest parameter of motivation is that how many of your board members become president in the coming years. So you will be a witness that how much you have motivated. As Mehul Bhai said, there are two types of people. One who remembers name and one whose names are remembered. Rotary president on 1st of July is like he tries to remember names of our members. But on 30th June, he becomes successful and satisfied that whose names are remembered. Thank you, Vatsal, for a very inspiring and motivational speech. Prashant Bhai told about Vatsal's writing kavitas and haikus. I also used to write some haikus when I was in college. I would like to share because I did not like haikus because haikus were small poems of 3 lines with 5, 7, 5 letters. First line will have 5, second line will have 7, and third line will have 5 letters, and that's all. So what I had written was, it is of course in Gujarati, Sav Sehlu, haiku banavgu, law bani gayu. Sav Sehlu, haiku banavgu, law bani gayu.
Translated in Hindi also.
And the biju che, this next one is, હવે જો કોઈ, first line 5 letters. હવે જો કોઈ haiku બનાવશે, લાફો પડશે. Going ahead. Now, when family becomes friends and friends become celebration, friends become family, life is a celebration. And we are going to invite new friends to our Rotary family. Rotarian Madhukar Bhai Parekh, Assistant Governor, MPHF. He is an electrical engineer by profession and chairman of Prima Controls Private Limited, which is an industrial automation company. He was a roundtable member and became Rotarian in 2000, and he was one of the chartered member of Rotary Club Cosmopolitan in 2013. He is also a trustee of Rotary Club Cosmopolitan. He is passionate about education of underprivileged children, and he works with government primary schools for this. He is an avid golfer. I unfortunately do not know what is an avid golfer, but what I know about golf is when golf started some 2-3 centuries back in Scotland, the golf name came that gentlemen only, ladies forbidden. And what, as a middle class student in my college days, what we used to know and understand that the workers or the common people, they play football. The executives, they play tennis. The senior managers, they play snooker or billiards. And the chairmen and CEO, they play golf. The only thing which I could conclude that as you go higher in the hierarchy, the size of the ball becomes smaller. Madhukar Bhai's wife is Veena ji, son Vinit and Pravit. He has successfully invited them and given the reins of business to him and spends much of his time in Rotary and social work. Madhukar Bhai, please bless us, share your time, and help us in inducting our new members.
Good morning, everybody. Kalpesh bhai, first of all, let me thank you for the kind words and the interesting definition of the golf and the ball size. That's I would like to thank Vatsal. First of all, congratulate you on taking on the post. And thank you for giving me this privilege of introducing and inducting new members to your club, Premier Club. And thank you for that. Sponsoring Rotarians, whether they are here or whether they are online on Zoom, you have introduced your nominees for membership in our club. Mrs. Swati Bhargav, Dr. Shalin Modi, Dr. Mitesh Patel, Mr. Rutvi Shah, Mr. Yashraj Maheshwari. You have been selected by the members of this club to hold active membership. Mr. Deepak Goyal, Mr. Harish Bhuta, Mr. Anand Jagtiani, Mr. Yogesh Mahavedia, Mr. Nilesh Doshi, Mr. Naitik Shah, and Mr. Devyang Mehta have all been members of this club and have been invited to join the club again. The principles, responsibilities, and obligations of Rotary have been explained to you, and you have expressed your willingness to become a Rotarian. No one is eligible to become a Rotarian unless in his business or professional life, he or she endeavors to practice the principles of goodwill and service. The members of Rotary Club of Ahmedabad Metro have invited you to join them because they believe you are already actuated by these motives. In electing you to membership, we are doing more than taking you into our fellowship. We are making you a trustee of us, of Rotary ideals. Knowing you to be Rotarian, the world will henceforth judge Rotary by your conduct. Membership in Rotary is an honor and privilege, and every privilege has its corresponding obligations. One of the special obligations of membership is regular attendance at the meetings and fulfillment of your financial duties. It is the basic method of fulfilling the principles of fellowship and also a way by which you represent your vocation. Every member is expected to perform his share of the club and community service. And the committees of the club will afford you the opportunities to give service. Lastly, but by no means least, in our ideals of fellowship, as you expect to receive, so give. Many of you be stimulated by the friendship you will find here, and may we in return know you to be an added source of strength to our club. All gentlemen and ladies, please raise your right hand. Here, whoever is, those who are here. Anand is here and Nilesh is here. I think the spouses will have to stand next to your spouse so that you'll be recognized in photographs. So please raise your right hand. No. This- करो? That's okay. Zoom is there. Please raise your right hand, those who are here and those who are on the Zoom. I, your name, agree and accept all the above. Thank you. Welcome to the Rotary family. It's my privilege and honor to induct you as a member of Rotary Club of Ahmedabad Metro. I have the pleasure of pinning the emblem of a worldwide association. Wear it always with pride.
વાયર અહીંયાથી લૂઝ થઈ જાય વાયર અહીંયાથી લૂઝ થઈ જાય છે ઝૂમ ઉપર આ જ જાય છે હલી જાય છે ઝૂમ ઉપર આ જ જાય છે ગાડી ઉપર મને ઈશારો કર દે
Fellow Rotarians of Ahmedabad Metro, I present to you Rotarians, Mrs. Swati Bhargava, Mr. Shailen Modi, Mr. Mitesh Patel, Mr. Rutvi Shah, and Mr. Yashwat Maheshwari, Mr. Deepak Goyal, Mr. Harish Bhuta, Mr. Anand Jakiani, Mr. Yogesh Mahadevia, Mr. Nilesh Doshi, Mr. Naitik Shah, and Mr. Daivin Mehta. And I charge you not to fail in your duty by giving him or her your friendship and helping to make him or her membership useful and happy. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
थैंक यू मधुकर सर। सुबह से ये शपथ 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 चल रहा है, मुझे शपथ का जो याद आ रहा है तो मैं 2 मिनट आपके लूंगा। 88 years old Swaraj ji was charged for rape by a young lady. FIR आ गई, केस हो गया, कोर्ट में जाने का था। सौरभ जी के दोस्त ने पूछा ये तेरे पे रेप का केस और ये सब क्या है? अरे कुछ छोड़ नहीं यार, जो हो गया हो गया। कोर्ट में केस चला, जज ने पूछा, सौरभ जी was very happy and excited. At 88 somebody is asking me and alleging me कि मैं रेप किया। तो जज ने जब उसको पूछा कि शपथ लो, आप सही बोलोगे, सच बोलोगे, ये करोगे, और फिर जज ने पूछा कि क्या आप आपका गुनाह मानते हैं? तो उसने कहा यस आई डू सर। उसको 15 दिन की जेल और 5,000 रुपए का दंड हो गया। बाद में जब जो छूट के आया तो उसके दोस्त रुस्तम ने पूछा कि ये क्या हो गया, कि अरे केस हो गया, मैंने कबूल भी कर लिया, तो जज ने मुझे 15 दिन की जेल और 5,000 रुपए का फाइन कर दिया शपथ लेके झूठ बोलने के लिए। Now I invite online Chartered President and past District Governor, Rotarian Shashank Rathod. Dr. Shashank Rathod is an ophthalmologist by profession. He is dashing, charming, enviable, life-leading doctor, and who is a motto for most of the Metrorian. And he is always there and around for Rotary Club Ahmedabad Metro for last 26 years. Dr. Shashank Rathod, please be online for your guidance and blessings.
Thank you, Kalpesh Bhai. I know while seeing this ceremony, I just went through the memory lane 2-3 decades back when this club was formed. I still remember it was the 1st July 96, I think, in Indar Residency. We had 600 people in a chartered installation, and the Kalpesh Bhai was a master of ceremony. And Kalpesh Bhai came without wearing the tie. I said, you are a master of ceremony, you should have a tie. He didn't have a tie. So I asked the waiter to remove the tie and give it to him. That is a tie as he was wearing at that time. And today, I'm so happy. I was just speaking with last week with Ghanshyam Bhai and past Governor Vinod Bhatia. And, we have been so happy that 26 years we have been able to have a new line of leadership, which we call Second Brigade. And Vatsal, my request is this is a time you must invest to produce a 3rd brigade, which would take over after 10-15 years. The quality of a leader is to produce leader. The pseudo leaders always produce his followers. So become a leader. The people who are around you are becomes a leader. So your vision should be not for this year, but what would be this club after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years? That should be the vision of the leader. And I'm very happy that past District Governor Vinod Bhatia today is with us as a chief guest. PDG Vinod Bhatia was my international trainer in Los Angeles for me and Bina. And ever since I was trained under him. So when I came back the next day, I telephoned him and I said, after 2 years, when I become governor, you'll be my district trainer. So PDG Vinod Bhatia was my district trainer, and he's a very, very tough master, taskmaster. Vinod Bhatia ji, we are very happy to have you with us after a long gap. And lastly, I would just tell the new team that most people, they dignify themselves with the post, that I become president, I become district governor, I become this. So they try to dignify themselves, but very few people give dignity to the post. So your job that you should give dignity to your respective post, and the club would go up. I wish you all the best, and thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Shashank sir. जिनका नाम सुनते ही हृदय में स्पंदन होने लगते हैं, जिनकी वाणी ने समग्र रोटरी वर्ल्ड को प्रभावित किया है, जिनके मार्गदर्शन और प्रेरणा के लिए हम अचल हैं, जैसे रोटरी के प्रखर वक्ता पीडीजी विनोद भाटिया, वैसे रोटरी के मैं आमंत्रित करता हूं पास्ट प्रेसिडेंट रोटरी क्लब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो के रोटेरियन घनश्याम आचार्य। घनश्याम जी।
Good morning, everybody. Am I audible?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes,
sir.
Can I be on the main screen, big screen? Is it possible?
Yes.
Can you put me on the big screen first?
It's possible.
He is on main screen.
You are on the main screen. Please continue.
Good morning, friends. It's my proud privilege to introduce our own and my dear friend, past District Governor Vinod Bhatia ji, to this August gathering. Friends, I have known Vinod ji since 1992-93 when I was a member of the Rotary Club Ahmedabad South, me and Shashank Bhai together. And he visited the club as a speaker. And I had an occasion to chat with him because I was new to Rotary at that time, because I entered Rotary in 1991. I listened him and I just adore him like anything, and I consider him as my mentor in the Rotary. Vinod ji is a Rotarian for almost 46 plus years. As a member of the Rotary Club Jodhpur, he has hardly missed any post and position at club as well as the district. He was a district governor for the district 3050 for the year 93-94. He led a GSC team to Japan, and he has many laurels to his credit. He's so simple and adorable, but he will not say that he has been partner to numerous matching grants and global grants for Rotary International WASH program for about 35 schools. He will not say that because of his international services, District 1870 of Germany and District 9780 of Australia recognized by conferring Paul Harris Fellow to him. He is so modest that he will not say that he has represented Rotary International presidents to numerous conferences and also has served on many Rotary International committees and task forces. Well, he will not say that he has been Rotary International training leader to train incoming governors and represented district for the Council of Legislation. And also he has been a member to the Rotary International Director nominating members. Vinod ji is so humble that he will not say he has been conferred the International Service Award for his work on the polio eradication, a recipient of Rotary Foundation's Distinguished Service Award and a Rotary International Service Above Self Award. A student of Mayo College, Ajmer, with engineering background, he owns his own business of auto spares manufacturing company. Happily married to Anjali ji. I thank President Vatsal and his team for giving me this opportunity to present before you all, my friends, past District Governor Vinod Bhatia ji. Thank you very much.
Vinod ji, the dais is yours.
Morning, everybody. Good afternoon or still morning. Good morning, everybody. Can I be heard, please?
Yes.
Thank you, Ghanshyam. You were the one who could go off script because having known you and you're knowing me, you could go away from the script and add certain things which were not added over there. Thank you, Ghanshyam, for making it so personal. Shashank, dear friend, I mean, when he called, you can never say no to Shashank. Shashank, you remember, exactly 10 years back, on the 11th of July of 2011, of 2001, I was at your club at the installation of Mehul. And I'm glad you remembered me again. I'm so delighted being here today. Mehul, I always found in you somebody the district should have selected. The district has made the right choice in Mehul. And I'm delighted that this is true to the Rotary Club of Ahmedabad Metro. They pick up the right people, young people at the right time. Mehul, I'm so happy for you that you will lead the district in 2 years from now. I have some friends over there, many friends over there. I can recognize my very senior Shah. JP is there. Maulin, you are there with your wife, so delightfully, presently looking with your charming wife over there. Kalpesh, you're awesome and you're running the program. Your humor tip, additions into the, presentations make it so lively. Kalpesh, a dear friend of mine. I remember Khar Saab ke yahan chai piya karte the yaar. Kahan aajkal shayad America mein baithe hain. And Maulin and Maulik, Rotary Blood Bank, I started 3 years back after seeing the Mehsana Blood Bank and the Patan Blood Bank. And then Rotary Club Jodhpur started Thalassemia Daycare Center. When Maulik used to talk to me about thalassemia, probably I didn't, listen to him so well. Had this program been live, I would have come running to Ahmedabad to meet Maulik over there. If I understand he's in America these days, I'll soon be taking a call over to him. And the seed of thalassemia, if at all in District 3050 or anywhere, it is Maulik, the person over there. And I'm glad that Metro has produced someone in thalassemia. Would be my work in the coming days itself. And I'll be glad meeting you people. हमारे दीपक पांड्या पता नहीं है कि नहीं है. He's got a fan following in our जोधपुर. और मैंने अभी इनको देखा, धीरज भाई बिराजे हैं, धीरज भाई हैं, बीपी साहब हैं. Friends, Arpit, thank you for your phone call 2 days back. It was a challenging time, but Mehul ने कितनी सही बात बोली थी. I'll have a combination of Hindi and English because your program ran such way. Mehul ने कितनी सच्ची बात बोली थी. He differed with the president then that even in challenging times, Rotary gave an opportunity and taught us how Zoom could be effective as well. And many Rotary clubs across the world, fellowship was never like this. Could I ever have seen so many faces? So many faces over here. It's only because of Zoom that I am meeting almost about 50, 60 people, looking at them, maybe talking to them also sometimes and making a phone call after this meeting over here. Friends, Rotary challenges us. And Vatsal, you come from a breed of family who have seen Rotary and service in their life, and it runs in your blood. Dipin, together with Vatsal, I'm sure the Rotary year would be one of the best Metro has ever seen. I put in a word to Vatsal the other day, how much time do I have, Vatsal? So Vatsal immediately मेरे को minute-to-minute program दे दिया. उसने बोला ये भाटिया लंबा बोलेगा, इसको पहले. I remember Vatsal when I was in Japan leading the GST team, and I put in the same question, how much time do I have? They said, you can speak as long as you want. We are going to listen to you for only 20 minutes. And has been miser. He's cut out another 5 minutes. Friends, having said that, pick your team wisely. The way Shashank mentioned, 25 years have gone. You guys have picked up the right team. Youngsters. Look what's still in your team. I'm looking at those young faces. They have the energy, they have the determination, they have the ability to show for themselves. People past their age, who have lived their age and who have exhibited themselves. But these are people who are looking forward, not only in their profession, but also in the service activities they will undertake. Mehul was the right choice. And Metro has now shown an example of picking the right people. 5 people, जैसे इसने कहा था कल्पेश ने, you are under test. The 5 board of directors, how many go on to serve as president? The yardstick is already there of how you excel and your team will excel. Vatsal. Sidhuism. Sidhu is very popular for right or wrong reasons these days, the cricketer. He used to say, and I used it at some years back also, a good lather on the beard. जब हम shave करते हैं तो अपने soap लगाते हैं. Good lather on the beard is half the job done. Vatsal, in the selection of your team, having made the right choice, you have done half the work. But then you need to sharpen your axes before you cut the tree. इसीलिए beard में लादर अच्छी लग गई, लेकिन beard भी razor sharp होना चाहिए ताकि अच्छा शेव बने. मेरा ऐसा मानना है. Frank Devlin, Shashank knows so well. Shashank has worked with international past president Frank Devlin. He used to say, don't treat members like a switch. Turn them on, turn them off. That doesn't work in Rotary. When you're working in volunteers, they need to be on all the time. It's called continuity in connectivity. Vatsal, you're working with volunteers. You're not working with paid employees. Remember our days when you used to talk about polio eradication. You couldn't have paid anybody 500 rupees to go to a polio job and, administer vaccines. It was only because of excitement, the challenge we had to eradicate polio, the volunteerism, the motivation we derived to accomplish something big. Imagine in the history of the world, Rotary will be the only organization to eradicate the second disease from the face of this earth. We have only two cases in the world, one in Afghanistan and one in Pakistan. Vatsal, continuity in connectivity, that is the way we work with volunteers. Ashwani Vaishnav, who's the railway minister, I'm sure one of the most important tasks will be to get this Shinkansen, what do you call the bullet train going between Bombay and Ahmedabad. He's from Jodhpur. He's an alumni of the college of IIM. He went to his office of the railways and somebody said, sir, there is somebody who has been a student of MBM at Jodhpur. Usse bola, acha, MBM se hai. He called over that young lad and he hugged him in front of everybody. This is the affection. This is what we call as giving motivation. Vatsal, you need to hug everybody. There will be people who dislike you. Mohil ne kaha tha, everybody doesn't agree with you. Sometimes ignore them, sometimes hug them also. I often say there are two ways of looking at things. One, you can fire somebody for not doing it rightly. The other way is you need to inspire somebody to do it right. It's just a way of thinking. एक बहुत बड़ा आदमी था, business चलाता था. उसका बेटा IIM, मैं तो अभी भी मानता हूँ कि IIM of Ahmedabad is by far the best and it compares to the best in the world. बहुत बन गए अब तो, but still IIM rates the best amongst the ones in the country. A young man came in from there. He joined this family business. बड़ा आदमी था. He fired someone. The father came, put his hand on that young man's shoulder and said, young man, you don't need to fire, you need to inspire. Such an example. It's the example of a leader that worked towards. Shashank कहाँ करता था? Shashank के assistant governor's training seminar, वहाँ Hilton Hotel, Mount Abu में हुई थी Shashank, if I remember correctly. And I remember Shashank used to say, a good leader would not say, go and do it. A good leader would say, let's do it. Let's do it is the example which Vatsal, you and your team board example will set to take Rotary forward. Friends, let's talk about the basics of Rotary. Ahmedabad Metro has in 25 years, you must have done it and you must be done it. Why are we in Rotary? The one thing which should, touch everybody whom you want to make a Rotarian, why at all do you want to run Rotary? Development of acquaintance as an opportunity for service. When we make friendship, when we develop fellowship amongst our club members and spouses, the foundation is good, entertaining club, enjoying, but at the end of the day, service was our motto. Development of acquaintance as an opportunity for service. Many people have big business houses, they can do things by themselves. But when we all pool ourselves together, we can do wonders. Polio is not a one-man job. Bill and Melinda Gates couldn't do it. They wouldn't have been able to do it. WHO found it difficult. They got Rotary together. Friends, good service comes from good clubs. Imagine the Rotary pyramid. The president, Shekhar, may be at the top. He has board of directors. He has the club. At the end of the day, what matters are good Rotarians and good Rotary clubs. We are not members of Rotary International. We are the clubs. So every constituent club of Rotary International makes Rotary vibrant. Your Ashok Mangal is the district governor. Ashok Mangal cannot perform well unless his clubs perform well. It is challenging time. And for a good Rotary club, we need a balanced Rotary club. Very often we have seen clubs. They have very good fellowship. Probably they don't have meetings. Some have meetings, they don't have projects. Some have projects, but they may not be, only a couple of people are involved in it. When Rotary says a good balanced club, it talks about membership. And I think Mehul touched this subject. Each one bring one. Mehul, I'm catching on to what you spoke on here, and very pertinently you mentioned this. Shekhar Mehta's team is bring one, each one. This has been going on for years together. I remember जब मैं 93 में गवर्नर था, हमारे 11 लाख सदस्य थे. आज भी हम 12 लाख नहीं हो पाए हैं. मॉलिन ने बहुत पैसे दिए रोटरी फाउंडेशन. मॉलिन अपन लोग अभी भी स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं to touch that magic figure. Shekhar wants to be, something that we touch about 1.5 million in years to come. मैं मानता हूँ if the institution has changed over a period of time, membership is one of the most important things. Concerning Rotary, मैं आपको छूना चाहता हूँ subject को, which is contributions to the Rotary Foundation. Clubs that have been doing matching grants earlier and now global grants are certainly finding themselves difficult in Rotary Foundation giving because annual giving is going down. And when annual giving goes down, you don't get district designated funds to do projects. This would be a subject which Ashok would have liked to touch. But when Shashank is there, Shashank did an outstanding job, I remember. जब शशांक ने इतिहास रचा था, शशांक, here was a turning point in the Rotary when, you did an awesome contribution towards the Rotary Foundation. Molan himself is a personal example. Having said all these things, friends, I would urge Rotary Metro to target contributing to the Rotary Foundation as an agenda item. शशांक कहा करता था, सब कमिटीज के अंदर एक कमिटी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है. मैं शशांक की बात क्यों मानता हूँ, हम दोनों कंपैक्टेड थे, मैं जरूर उसका ट्रेनिंग था, पर मैंने शशांक से बहुत चीजें, तो शशांक से सबसे बड़ी बात मैंने सीखी, अरे भैया पैसा चाहिए, you need a committee which needs to collect funds for projects. The committee, treasurer or the finance committee, how do you generate funds for projects? And Shashank used to emphasize this in his and touch people emotionally. This is also Shashank's words I'm catching on. शशांक तेरी माउंट आबू की बातें मैं भूलता नहीं हूँ, आज भी नहीं भूलता हूँ. फ्रेंड, शेखर मेहता जोधपुर के हैं, मेरे नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर, मेरे घर के नेक्स्ट डोर नेबर, उनके अंकल का मकान. बॉर्न ऑफ कोर्स ही वाज बॉर्न, अभी भी मानते हैं मैं मारवाड़ी में ही बात करता हूँ. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, द फोर्थ इंडियन एज प्रेसिडेंट, इंटरनेशनल प्रेसिडेंट, it's a moment of pride, Vatsal. It will be serving during a term when Shekhar serves as president. Shekhar looks high, he dreams big. कई बारी कहता है शेखर अपनी बातों में, if you need to dream big, you need to be awake. Rotary dreams cannot be by sleeping. Rotary dreams when you remain awake. Dream big, set high goals, bigger, bolder, better. You have taken upon the challenge of a club, which is this. I mean, this is an exemplary club. मैं जब भी अहमदाबाद जाता था, I had worked with so many clubs, the Ahmedabad club himself, the Ahmedabad South and other clubs over there. But I used to rate Ahmedabad Metro as by far, now I'm afraid there may be some other people over there, by far the club of Ahmedabad. It was the club of Ahmedabad, and I don't know whether it is which it is, but then what's the challenge is, how do you keep it up like that? How do you sustain a momentum which has been sent by our predecessors? My example I will share with you this year in my Rotary Club of Jodhpur. We are soon going to celebrate our 75 years in 2 years from now. मुझे कॉन्फ्रेंस याद आती है जब हमने शरद भाई की कॉन्फ्रेंस करी थी और शशांक आप गवर्नर बने थे जोधपुर में. आप शरद भाई की कॉन्फ्रेंस और शशांक आज दोनों यहाँ पे मौजूद है. मैं दोनों को, आपके डिस्ट्रिक्ट को धन्यवाद देता हूँ कि जोधपुर को आपने मौका दिया. My president this year is also a doctor. Tiny नहीं है, he's a surgeon. But he said, I do not want any past presidents in my board. Shashank will be surprised, Mehul. He said, I don't want any past presidents. He picked up 6-7 young people and now they are delivering like mad. They want to deliver, they want to excel. I think, Vatsal, yourself, you're a young guy. You have a team which is young. We look forward to Metro doing an outstanding job. I'm delighted being present over here this morning and now this afternoon is already there. मैं मेरी बात को समाप्त करूंगा. कभी कभी हमारे मेहुल ने भी शेरो शायरी में ज्यादा शेरो शायरी करता नहीं हूँ, पर कहाँ से ढूंढ के मैंने निकाली है, which is so appropriate for Ahmedabad Metro. मैं इस बात से मेरी बात को समाप्त करूंगा. नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है. ये इश्क की बातें हैं, ये प्यार की बातें हैं, प्रेम की बातें हैं. नजर नजर में उतरना कमाल होता है, नफस नफस से बिखरना कमाल होता है. करती हैं हमारी महिलाएं, करती हैं हमारी प्यारी प्रेमिकाएं भी करती हैं, थोड़ी थोड़ी बात पे बिखर जाती हैं. लेकिन बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं. मतलब अहमदाबाद मेट्रो में बुलंदियों में पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, क्योंकि कमाल शशांक ने बोला, every year new standards are being set and we are doing it. It's unique about Metro that you are setting new standard of challenge every time. And then, but at the end of the day, बुलंदियों पे पहुंचना कोई कमाल नहीं, बुलंदियों पे ठहरना कमाल. उस ऊंचाई पे आपके शिखर के ऊपर वो क्लब पहुंच गया. Imagine reaching the peak and trying to sustain and remain over there in spite of the winds over there, the strong, possibility, lack of oxygen over there. हमको अहमदाबाद मेट्रो जो शिखर पे पहुंचा हुआ है हमारे जिले के अंदर, जिले से मेरा मतलब है 3054 में, उस शिखर को पहुंचना है और बुलंदियों पे कायम रहना है, बहुत काम करने हैं। ऐसा मेरा मानना है कि मेरा आना आपके बीच में एक सुखद अनुभव मुझे भी हुआ है और आपको भी वो चैलेंजेस मिलेंगे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ नॉट ओनली, क्योंकि क्या पता मेहुल है यार तेरे साथ में बैठा हुआ, मेहुल, you have to prove yourself not only to anyone. I have always loved Shashank, the affection that he has shown, and he is exemplary. Quiet man, only speaks a man of few words, but a man of exemplary examples in doing it. Promises are not what are going to challenge you, rate you at the end of the year. It is what you deliver on your promises, which will be your evaluation. God bless you. Thank you, Metronians, for inviting me. I have loved being with you. Please have a good day.
Thank you, Vinodji, for an inspiring speech and a journey down the memory and nostalgic journey. मैं इतना ही कहूंगा आपके लिए कि प्रभु ने, आप रोटरी के इतने बड़े सितारे हैं, प्रभु ने इतने सारे गुण आपने उतारे हैं और आप यहाँ पधारे हैं, तो हमें सचमुच लगता है कि आप हमारे हैं, आप हमारे हैं। Thank you once again. Friends, Rotary is a journey from hopeless end to an endless hope. Rotary is a journey of cheers, tears and fears. जो लोगों की आंखों में टीयर्स है, जिनके दिल में फियर्स है, उनके चेहरे पे हमें चीयर्स लाना है। अगर प्लान नहीं करते हैं तो पूरा साल हरी भरी और करी में खत्म हो जाएगा। So ये प्रोग्राम भी अभी it is near the conclusion. I invite Secretary Deepen Thakkar for his secretarial announcement.
ध्रुव भाई,
Hello everyone. I sincerely thank all the members of our club to giving me an opportunity to serve as club secretary. We as a team will try our level best and take the club to the newer heights. Some secretarial announcements: birthdays and anniversaries. 1st July and Himani Amin, Rotarian Shalin Shah and Rotarian Ravi Srivastava. 6th July, Neeru bin Niranjan by Parikh. 11th July, Jamin, that is today, Jamin Oza. Marriage anniversary: 4th July, Ashok and Sapna Srimal. 10th July, Bharat Babaria. Our best wishes to these Metrorians for their birthdays and anniversaries. Next is the announcement of upcoming programs. On 15th of July, Thursday, we have arranged a Zoom meeting. The topic is Rotary Ki Khatti Meethi Baatein. It's a hilarious Rotary experiences by Rotarian Vinod Thakkar from Mumbai. It will be the 206th episode of Rotary Ki Khatti Meethi Baatein over Zoom. On 22nd of July, we have arranged a physical meeting. The topic is Know Your Friends. This will be a family meeting and it will be conducted by our past president, Rotarian Deepak Pandya. On 29th of July, we have planned club assembly at our own club center. Thank you.
Thank you, Deepen. Now, a small formality. As our token of love, I request President Vatsal to give a memento to immediate past President Rotarian Arpit. I request Secretary Deepen to felicitate immediate past Secretary Rutledge. I request Hemaliben to give our token of love to Mehul Bhai Rathod, our students, installation officer. Request Rashmi Bhai to come and felicitate Assistant Governor Madhukar Bhai, our today's induction officer. Thank you all. Now for a formal vote of thanks. Vinod ji is not here, so the felicitation and our token of love will be sent to him in due process. Thank you, Vinod ji, once again.
Keep it there.
Now, Secretary Dipen Thakkar, please come for a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, PDG Vinod Bhatia ji, for accepting our invitation and gracing the occasion as chief guest. I thank DG and Mehul Rathod for installing the team 21-22. Our thanks to AG Madhukar Parikh sir for inducting new members of our club. Thank you all district officers and Rotarians from other clubs for joining this meeting. Thank you team BH Studio and Rotarian Dakshesh Rawal for wonderful setup and managing the live streaming of the event. Thank you Rujuta Babi for the soulful prayer and Rotarian Atul Parikh for the four-way test. Thank you past President Prashant Ajmera for introducing our President Vatsal Shah. I thank past President Dr. Kalpesh Shah for conducting today's meeting. Thank you so much board members for their support for the installation function. I thank fellow Metrorians and their family members and guests who have joined us in today's meeting. Thank you. Over to you, Kalpesh.
Thank you, Dipen. अंत में आप सबसे मंगलमय कामना करते हुए आप सबको शिव की शक्ति, मीरा की भक्ति, गणेश की सिद्धि, चाणक्य की बुद्धि, शारदा का ज्ञान, कर्ण का दान, राम की मर्यादा, भीष्म का वादा, हरिश्चंद्र की सत्यता और कुबेर की संपन्नता प्रसाद हो। आप सबको ये सब प्राप्त हो। Let us all rise for a virtual national anthem.
एक मिनट चालू
सावधान। This is Dr. Kalpesh Shah signing off. I request President Vatsal to adjourn the meeting.
Meeting is adjourned.
Thank you all.